In this video, we learn how to use the advanced search in Bibledit. Click on Search in the main menu, then on Advanced Search. It searches the active Bible. Enter the word or words to search for. Tick or untick case sensitive. We can search in the main text, or search in the raw USFM. The USFM contains all the codes. There is also an option to only search in the current book, or only search the Old or New Testament. In this video it searches in Acts 4 Jesus Christ. It then gives a number of results. Now there are 4 options as to what to do with the search results. The first option is the standard option. It shows the search results on the page. The second option adds the search results to the results already on the page from a previous search. The third option removes the search results from the results already on the page from a previous search. For example, the page already has verse 1 and verse 2, the search results in verse 1, the result will be that verse 1 is removed, so verse 2 remains. The fourth and last option takes the intersection of the new search results, and the results already on the page, and puts that intersection on the page. For example, the page has verse 1 and verse 2. The search results in verse 2. The intersection of these two sets is verse 2 is put on the page. This is how to use the advanced search in Bibledit.